Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -5, B is -1, C is 1 and D is 5. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket and parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis, so we can skip this one here. Now, again, we have to go for exponent part or order of operation. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this one as well. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So now this time we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 28 divided by 4. So 2 plus 28 divided by 4 is equals to 7. Now multiply by 2 minus 6 divided by 2. This part I'm writing here as so. Now we have to give the reference 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. Now move forward again. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 plus 7 multiplied by 2. We have to write multiply this one. So this becomes 14 minus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 8 plus 3. Now this time we have 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Now we have solved this part. Now move forward again. We have to solve all multiplication and division. You have to say like we can solve first this one and this one. No. First you have to complete all division and multiplication. So now this time we have the multiplication. We cannot subtract these two numbers because we have either here division sign. So first we have to solve the division. 14 minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 plus 3. And here we have to give the reference 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Now move forward again. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 2 plus 14 minus 3 multiplied by 8. First we have to solve this one. 3 multiplied by 8 equals to 8, 24 plus 3 right here as it. So 3 multiplied by 8 equals to 24. Now we have solved all multiplication and division. Now this time we have to solve the addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and addition. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 plus 14. It becomes 16 minus 24 plus 3. And here we have to give the reference 2 plus 14 equals to 16. Now this time we have to go left to right, and this time we have this number which is 16 minus 24. So we have to solve this one, and it becomes minus 8 plus 3. Here we have to give the reference 16 minus 24 equals to minus 8. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other, but we have the minus sign with the greater number, so we get the answer is minus 5. So the answer of the given expression is minus 5. If you see, the answer is answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and Rodman's method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.